plan a funeral for my 24-year-old son.
Two grieving families say their children's deaths never should have happened, and they filed a claim against the California Highway Patrol and the state. As KCAL's Jasmine Viel reports, the families claim an officer's actions directly led to a fiery crash that killed 4 friends.
It's been just over a month since this deadly chain reaction crash on the 605 freeway killed 4 friends returning home from a concert.
It was a typical night for them to go and have some fun and eat at a quirky diner.
But for the families of the victims, the grief is as raw as ever. Angie Reed's 24-year-old son Armand was among the 4 killed in this crash, along with his girlfriend Julie Hamori, whom he was planning to marry.
Julie had been at a thrift store and found the most beautiful wedding dress and bought it.
CHP initially reported a collision between a CHP cruiser and Julie's Nissan in the southbound lane that night. CHP said while additional officers were on their way, a suspected drunk driver in a Kia then hit Julie's car, causing it to burst into flames and killing the 4 friends inside.
The CHP wants to blame this entire crash on another driver.
Now, after planning funerals, they say they are filing a government claim against the CHP and the state to get to the truth. The family's attorneys believe a CHP officer's negligence set everything in motion, first by causing the initial collision that disabled the victim's car, and then by failing to properly secure the crash scene.
And they shouldn't have been stranded on the 605 freeway in the middle of the night like sitting ducks.
That lapse, they allege, allowed another vehicle to slam into the wreckage 6 or 7 minutes later, igniting the fiery and deadly crash.
I got 2 missed calls and 2 texts from Armand at 12:56, which puts him alive on the freeway numerous minutes after the initial crash.
In a statement, CHP says this was a heartbreaking tragedy, and our thoughts are with the families impacted by this incident. Both crashes remain under investigation. We are unable to provide further comment at this time. The families say this claim is just the first step in their fight for answers and accountability.
What happened between "Mom, I'm fine," to me having to plan a funeral for my 24-year-old son, my only child.
There's a 45-day clock on a government claim for them that started August 13th, so the CHP can decide to answer it or force a lawsuit. Here in Santa Fe Springs, Jasmine Viel, KCAL News.